ADVETI is the largest vocational education and training institute in the UAE, having been established in 2007 to address the growing need for skills and vocational training for Emirati nationals. ADVETI moved to Blackboard in December 2019. By March 2020, had achieved 100% online delivery for all of our students across all of our 4 locations, while at the same time addressing the unique requirements for vocational education. Moving to Blackboard at the beginning of the current situation was a challenge in itself, implementing and configuring the 600 plus individual courses, rapidly training staff through a process of train the trainer and campus champions, and through comprehensive documentation and planning and working closely with the Blackboard team, we managed to implement the system in a very short period of time. Of course, this is only part of the story. Moving online meant that in-person workshops, labs and classrooms had to move online as well. And a new approach needed for assessment and evidence needed to be developed. So we developed an alternative way of obtaining evidence based on a highly structured system of tests, projects and interviews utilising Blackboard's Collaborate package, the journals and other assessment tools. We actually have now over 67,000 recordings of our class sessions to refer back to. We also used groups extensively, individual Collaborate recordings within those groups to provide the evidence required. Our students don't tend to write long papers or do research in the same sense of academia. Our objective is that our students are basically work ready and ready to work. Many will go into the workplace, into jobs, and perhaps at a later time they may decide to go into further education at university. This presents a difficult situation in a competency-based system where generally we measure competency without giving grades. We utilise Blackboard's Rubrics system to both give the students their competency results and also be able to provide them with a GPA that they could use in the event that they want to move on to university education. We worked very hard at ADVETI to make sure that our students had the best opportunity to study during these difficult times, and everybody in ADVETI was involved in making this possible. And we're very thankful to Blackboard for giving us this opportunity to win the Catalyst Award.